crack your knuckles. They will cause arthritis. We have heard this a lot of times, right? Well, Donald L. Unger says it otherwise. You see, he cracked his knuckles on his left hand for over 60 years and left his right hand untouched. And what did he find? He published his research on the progression of arthritis and found that it was same on both the hands. Therefore, knuckle cracking and arthritis have no link. He even won an Ink Nobel Prize for this finding. So, what does this mean? It means you can crack your knuckles away.